So I'm gonna say sorry in advance because we don't have a Squarespace option just yet. You can start with HTML and then go install the code snippet yourself. Put in your Squarespace URL here. Just in case you need a quick reminder where to find your URL, you could just check in your Squarespace dashboard. On the next page, copy the code snippet. Now head back to Squarespace. You're going to want to go over to your settings. Once you're inside your settings, go down to Developer Tools. In Developer Tools, find Code Injections. Go down till you find the footer area and paste the code snippet here. Now save your changes. When you go back to your main page, surprise, surprise, Superflow is already there. Now comment or collaborate anywhere on your website. I hope you have fun with your Squarespace site, but that's it from me. I'll see you in the next one.